political storm has now erupted after LDF councillor apologized on camera for chanting Jai Hind at an oath-taking ceremony. The apology, meanwhile, has triggered sharp criticism, with the BJP asking why should one apologize for showcasing patriotism. The party has now slammed what it calls as opposition culture of fear, insisting that showing love for the nation shouldn't require any permission.
എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ നിഷ്പക്ഷതയോടെ എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യും.
Well, why say sorry exactly when it comes to Jai Hind, as you're hailing your motherland? But she seems to be embarrassed while the oath-taking ceremony was on. The LDF councillor there issuing a sorry for saying Jai Hind, and this shocker is now coming where this apology that has been given right after the oath-taking, where the BJP has now hit out at the opposition bloc, asking why is there need to apologize for saying Jai Hind? This is something that you need to be proud of, as far as the BJP is now slamming the opposition culture of fear, saying that patriotism does not need any permission. Now, this is a political storm that has erupted after the LDF councillor seems to have apologized on camera for impromptu chanting Jai Hind, immediately realizing that she shouldn't have said that. Akansha, what is the exact story that we are looking at? Arpita is also connected with us. Why say sorry over Jai Hind?
Absolutely. Let me first up show you the video of this LDF councillor. As you can see, she says Jai Hind, then she laughs and regrets saying it. On that, the Bharatiya Janata Party has slammed the India bloc. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the BJP leader, has said, and I quote, an elected LDF councillor in Kerala apologizes for saying Jai Hind right after taking an oath to protect and uphold the constitution. Let that sink in. This is the culture of fear that left has created, where even expressing love for the nation invites punishment, intimidation and public humiliation. The CPM and the Indie partner Congress lecture others on tolerance and try to paint a BJP as intolerant. But Indie's tolerance ends where patriotism begins. This is my message to that councillor and to every Malayali. Never apologize for loving your country. Be proud of the country. I stand with you. Jai Hind is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has said, slamming the India bloc for intolerance.
All right, let's connect with Arpita and this as well. Arpita, what is embarrassing here? So what if she said Jai Hind? It is something to be proud of. She seems to have, realized somewhat, saying that Jai Hind was a mistake, and then immediately issues an apology. Why?
Well, yes, Amita, in the video clearly you can say as soon as she says Jai Hind, her facial expression changes and she looks embarrassed and she turns towards her LDF other councillors and she apologizes, saying that it was a mistake to say that. But in the video you can hear the other councillors saying that there's no problem, it's okay to say Jai Hind, it's a thing that we say for our country. But this has gone viral now, and BJP has it out, saying that this is the atmosphere that the CPM leaders are creating among other leaders, atmosphere of fear and humiliation. But when we later asked her what was the reason for apologizing, she said she just thought it was not correct. She did not give any clear justification or any this, but she said, I thought it was not correct and that is why I apologized. So that is the reaction that is coming in from LDF councillor who took oath. But in fact, all other councillors supported her, saying that it is not a big problem, it is nothing wrong in saying Jai Hind. But now BJP has it out at the CPM-led LDF government, saying that this is the atmosphere of fear that they are creating among other leaders.
Right, but Arpita, the BJP is now asking her to apologize over her apology for saying Jai Hind, because they are like, what culture is that the left is now propagating? Mr. Tom Vadakan is connected with us. Sir, good morning. Here is a LDF councillor. She says Jai Hind after the oath-taking ceremony, realizes that it is a big crime. She is embarrassed and she immediately issues an apology. Is it a crime to say Jai Hind, sir? Mr. Vadakan, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah,
Yes,
I can
sir.
hear you.
What do you have to say on this incident?
Well, this is the kind of brainwashing that's going on in the left parties, and especially this kind of saying Jai Hind is not acceptable, an apology later. It's insufferable, you know. I mean, this kind of ideology that exists in a democratic setup, and especially in India, is not acceptable. And I think people of India have started realizing, especially Kerala, things have, changed. You've seen what has happened in Trivandrum and other places, and the reality is dawning. But these members of the left still are in what you call Alice in Wonderland, and they believe that they are superior to other people. And this is what has happened, and this is the beginning of decimation.
All right, sir. Thank you very much for joining in. Well, Arpita, that's the point that the BJP is raising. Is this an attempt to brainwash? Let's just listen in and take a look exactly what had happened there. While the oath-taking ceremony was on, the councillor there suddenly says Jai Hind. It was impromptu, it seems, and then realizes, putting a hand on her mouth, that if she's committed a big crime. Why? Because just she said Jai Hind. Take a look.
ഇഷ്ടത്തോടെ എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യും. ഇഷ്ടത്തോടെ എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യും.
Well, Arpita, BJP is now demanding to say sorry over saying sorry on Jai Hind.
Well, yes, Amita. So, as an individual, this councillor initially, after she took oath and she said Jai Hind, it was her individual choice that she thought that it was a mistake. Even though, like I mentioned, all other councillors, including BJP, including UDF and LDF, all of them said it was not a problem. But for some reason, as an individual, she thought it was a mistake. So BJP asking her to apologize, to say because she thought it was a mistake. Let's see what she says, because when we initially asked her what was the reason, she just said she personally thought it was a problem. So that is why BJP has said that they have created an atmosphere of fear, because probably she thought that what she said is a big crime. You can clearly make out from her facial expression that immediately after she says Jai Hind, she keeps her hand on her mouth and she realizes and she gets embarrassed about the fact that she said Jai Hind. But here, specifically, all other LDF councillors have said that it's okay to say this, but she personally said that she personally, as an individual, she thought that it was a big mistake.
So is it something that is a norm that is now followed as far as when it comes to the people from the left, if they want to, participate in a swearing-in ceremony or at any other program, that given the fact that they feel embarrassed in saying Jai Hind or hailing their motherland? Well, this seems to be the example that is now coming in from the LDF councillor there. Let's once again put out an apology for chanting Jai Hind. Imagine this.
ഇഷ്ടത്തോടെ എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യും. ഇഷ്ടത്തോടെ എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യും. ഇഷ്ടത്തോടെ എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യും. ഇഷ്ടത്തോടെ എന്റെ പരമാവധി കഴിവും അറിവും വിവേചന ശക്തിയും ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്ന് ദൃഢപ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യും.
Well, Arpita, is this a norm there that we usually see on part of the left, saying sorry for saying Jai Hind, because the shocker apology that is now sparked off a political storm? Is there any reaction coming in from their side?
The left has not reacted on this yet, but the local councillors who were there, they were saying that there's no problem. But usually LDF or like a CPM leaders say Lal Salam or they hail the communists there. In fact, when the oath-taking ceremony was taking place, a lot of the UDF councillors, Congress-led councillors were chanting different slogans like they were hailing here. There's a local temple, so they were taking all other names. So that is why I think this LDF councillor also impromptu she just said Jai Hind. Because here they also said a lot of the lady councillors here, UDF councillors were hailing Sabrimala god Ayyappa because they believe that UDF believe that Sabrimala issue here in Kerala has definitely given them an edge to win the local
a political
body.
storm that seems to have erupted after this LDF councillor seems to be apologizing on camera for chanting Jai Hind immediately after the oath-taking ceremony, as if she's committed a big crime. The BJP is now seeking an apology over the apology of saying Jai Hind. Thank you very much, Arpita, for joining in with that live update.